Classic.
I'll
A
tell you-
beautiful
I'll
mind.
tell- I'll tell
A
you
beautiful
what's
mind
going
and
on.
Rayman. Rayman with Dustin
Acid
Hoffman.
iron
Ferrari.
You don't iron jackets,
LSD.
or psilocybin.
Well, I don't iron jackets.
Sesame Street.
Yeah,
Sesame Street is a classic. What's the best tea?
Is it
Okay,
a jacket
okay, okay.
that you'd iron?
Classic.
Any sort of
Classic. A
psychoactive
beautiful mind. A
substance.
beautiful
That
mind
kind
and
of
Rayman.
temporary
Rayman with
state
Dustin
of
Hoffman.
iron
Ferrari.
You don't iron jackets. And this is what Einstein
Well, I don't
and
iron
Hendrix
jackets.
used to do a lot. They used to explore something called power hypnagogy.
Well, I don't iron jackets because I
Power
don't work in an
hypnagogy
iron
have two
jacket
areas.
store.
You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic
Because I don't work in an iron
Hypnopompic
jacket store.
hallucination occurs when you want to know if I iron a jacket. Hypnagogic occurs what Einstein would do. He would doze off.
What's the best TV show ever created?
Honestly,
For me?
he would doze off without remember his hallucination because if the brain transitions from different brain, remember his from the deep delta state to theta state back to the alpha while it's transitioning, you may not be able to.
Aren't you filming me?
How's this boy? On your boy now? On your boy now?
I really like it. I like the texture. I like how it's not. I don't remember what it's not iron. It's not supposed to be significant.
Go ahead,
do it. What are we? Do it just how you would do it if you were complicated to the way. You know, just the basic setup.